Hey everyone, how we doing? My name is Tim Pongrass and this is Focus on Detailing. Today's video is all about thoughts and the results of the Beamer's recently applied ceramic coating. A few weeks back I had my very first go of applying a ceramic coating. I had no practice at all, so it was a real learning experience for me. I thought I'd just film the process. Since having it applied, I haven't looked back. It's made the car shine like nothing else I've used before, and the protective qualities are within a realm of their own. But it's no good me just talking about it like I am now. I may as well just show you.
It recently rained mud here in Mildura, but we'll be able to see now how easily it can get cleaned up from being a dust-covered mess. Bad thing about black paint is that absolutely everything shows up, but looks magic when it's all clean. I gave it the usual foam wash to get rid of most of the immediate light dust. A very thick layer of foam that actually had a little trouble sticking to the paintwork this time around with the new coating, but was still doing a great job of grabbing and dragging off that mess. Once it came to rinsing it all off, the combination of both actually did a fantastic job of cleaning it to be basically complete, if it were to be dried too.
Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights, so I wait for you, wait for me, wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no, this ain't love, no, no, this is artificial. This ain't love, no, no, this ain't love, no, no, this is artificial.
I used CarPro's Reset Next, which came in the pack I purchased that is specifically formulated to clean and in a way refresh the existing ceramic coating. Everything behaved kind of differently when contacting the surface, not really wanting to rest on it at all. Any grime and dirt came off really easy, which is what we're after.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love from within. Let me in. I want real love, real heights. You're just enough to get me through. 'Cause you're officially perfect.
Now right before moving on to the drying stage, my camera did actually die while filming, hence the change in time in the next few scenes. I don't know why, but I'm just happy that it's working now. So I'll wet it down again, and it was a good chance to show how well it repels water when it replicated a rainy day. The droplets immediately slid down off where it sloped. It would be even better, as you can imagine, if the car was actually in motion. Now this little trick to help with the drying stage I got from Bowden's Own. It helps remove a lot of the excess droplets on the flat surfaces by sheeting them all off. Now you'll probably tell me that this is wasting water, and you'd be 110% right, but it's actually quite entertaining to watch. Now when it came to the drying stage again, it was easy as pushing some air over the car, and what better way to do that than with a blower. It made short work of any water that was left behind, and it was perfect as I didn't need to touch the paintwork. I could have probably just foamed up the car, rinsed and dried it, and would have made for a very easy, touchless, safe wash, but it's good to be a little more thorough. Can't simply be done after that. Gotta look after that ceramic coating just like you would with the normal paintwork. Obviously the coating of Reload will still be holding strong, so I'll layer it with Bowden's Own Fully Slick, one of my many favourite spray sealants. I have my two towels ready, one with a low pile side folded over for spreading the product, and the other high pile side one for buffing. All I'm doing is helping each layer last as long as it can to keep the car looking great and protected. So was this whole process worth it? Absolutely yes. It took around 2 days to complete, but the car has never looked so good since I've had it. There's a lot of work involved, and it gives you an appreciation for the detailers that do this with nearly every customer's car. I'm hoping that it'll be lasting a little longer and hold up this well, but will only really happen if it gets looked after and cleaned properly. All I can say is that I'm really happy that I've given it a go and applied it to my car. Simply blowing it down dry to remove light dust works well as a quick method of cleaning it before going for a spin. My wheels will probably be getting the attention now as they need correcting and protecting too, but that's for another time. That's it for this video, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out some of my other uploads and I'll catch you all later.